Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a review of Clarity Box. And as you guys know, I did a review in January on Clarity Box, and this is my second box, and this would be the February Clarity Box. As you know, the company is run by my good friend Gabriella Megan. She's an amazing person, and she's a small business owner, and I love supporting small businesses, especially if they rock. So I can't wait to open this box since the January box was so good and get my hands into this February box. And for Clarity Box, you have to order by March 10th in order to receive the March box. And with my code, Carolyn20, you get 20% off. So if you love this box and you can't wait for the next one, definitely order. It's small businesses, all small businesses inside it. You're going to love it. I love the first box. I can't wait to dive into the second box. And I already have heard some little sneak peeks of what's in the March box, and I'm already excited about that one. And I haven't even opened the February box yet. So without further ado, here we go. Do you have a key? No, I'm just gonna have to struggle through. Struggling, guys. Can't you hand me a key? There's one over there. I'm just weak. And I'm weak. What's wrong with that? Sorry if my voice sounds a little scratchy today. So I'm gonna open this towards you guys first. Oh, wait, this is a little tricky. Oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna loosen it up first, and now I'm gonna open it towards you guys. Okay, now I get to peek. Ooh. I already like this box just from looking at it. The first thing I see in here is some lovely bath salts, and they just look super gorgeous. I'm going to open it up and smell them. And these are by Lux Uda. Udu? Not sure how to pronounce the name, but I'm gonna go with Lux Uda. They're 100% pure Uda and essential oils. Now let's take a little sniff. Ooh, some are coming out. 1 second. It's really filled, which is a good thing. And I'm gonna smell it. This smells like heaven. It's like lavender, and there's all little lavender flowers in here. It's super pretty. I can't wait to take a bath with this. Oh my god, this is luxury. This is great. It's called Luxury Uda, so of course it's luxury. So this was heavenly. I love it. It is awesome. Smells amazing. Cannot wait to get in a bath with this and just like relax with a glass of wine. I always take baths with a glass of wine, so this will be a treat, to say the least. The next thing I see in my box is Joyful Oil Creations, and this says it's a relaxing pillow spray, and you spray 2 to 3 sprays on your linens and pillows before sleeping, and then sweet dreams. So it's supposed to help you go to sleep. I'm gonna spritz a little bit. It smells good. It's like lavender for sure. I definitely smell lavender, and it just makes me want to go to sleep and get some nice rest. So I'm loving this. Smells amazing. I'm going to use this and then spritz this on my pillows, and I will be living the life that I have imagined for myself. What else we got in here? We've got some tea. Organic tea in 3 seconds. So we have Kusa tea. There's some organic tea here, and that's awesome because I use like organic throat coat tea, so I'm interested to try out these teas. This is English breakfast oolong tea and mango tea. Ooh, mango tea sounds like it tastes good. And it's just these little packages, and they're super cute. This is the mango one. Premium instant tea, and let's see how you make this. Instructions: simply open the tea stick and pour into an empty 12 to 14 ounce cup. Pour hot water and watch the tea dissolve. To make iced tea, dissolve with a small amount of warm water, then fill the cup with cold water and ice. So that seems super simple. I think it would be nice to try it as an iced tea too. I could take it when I work out because I'm just like horrible with drinking water. I'm really bad at drinking water, so anything that gives a flavor is a win to me. So I'm thinking that mango tea would be like great for that. So I'll try it and let you know in the description box what I think about it. Next in my clarity box, Coconut Cloud. It's dried coconut milk creamer. Oh, this is gonna be exciting to try in my coffee. So it's just creamers. It's dairy free, which is awesome because I don't eat dairy or drink dairy. So I'm actually super excited to try this. I gave up dairy a while ago because it makes me break out, and it's actually not that great for singers. So I don't eat it anymore or drink it anymore. So I'm excited to try this in my coffee because I've been using mostly almond milk and coconut milk. And I know this is made of coconut milk, but I think since it's in a powder form, it'll probably be a little different and cool. So I'm excited to try these out. Oh, they give you a little sticker too, which is cute. Last but not least, last but not least, we have a joint. No. Just kidding. This is sage, and you burn the end of it and you wave it around your room, and it helps you get rid of negative energy. So I have not tried this yet, and I've never used anything like this before. So I'm definitely going to try this out and see what I think of it and see if it works. Like I said in the past Clarity Box video, I'm definitely new to self-care and self-love products. So this is all like new to me, like the crystals and the sage and cleansing sticks and all that. So I'm excited to try it. And I really think that getting Clarity Box every month is a good introduction to that kind of thing, because you get all these different products, you get very earthy, organic things that promote self-love and self-care and just taking a little extra time for yourself. So yeah, or you could smoke a joint. Just kidding. Well, guys, I think that wraps up my Clarity Box review and unboxing. Whew. And let me just tell you my favorites. Definitely this is a fave. It smells heavenly, and I cannot wait to get in the bath with it. Then I have the pillow spray because I can't wait to just like and live life on my pillow, sleep, and get some beauty rest. Next is definitely going to be these creamers. Well, I don't know for sure yet, but they look amazing, and if they taste like they look, and they're just giving me all kinds of fun vibes because I want to try a new creamer. I've been using almond milk, and I can't wait to try this coconut milk creamer. Next is definitely these tea packages. I can't wait to try these too. I will let you know what I think about them. I just think it's fun to get to try something new in my little water bottle for when I go to work and I teach dance. So I'm very excited about this, or for when I'm at rehearsal and I'm singing a lot. Very cool. Excited to try. And that wraps up my Clarity Box, guys. I'm super excited. I love it. Can't wait to try it. I'll leave all the stuff in the description about what I think about everything as far as the things I need to try with a drink or whatnot. So yeah, guys, I love it, and I can't wait till the March box. And all right, guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'd love for you to be the first one to see my video. And if you are, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this review or what you think about my music. I've actually just had a super exciting weekend. I won the Discover Lehigh Valley's Discovered Artist Award at the Lehigh Valley Music Awards, and I'm super still on a high from that, and I'm so excited about it, and I just can't stop talking about it and posting about it, so you're probably getting a little bored of it, but I don't think I'm ever gonna stop, guys, because that was the first time I got to go on stage and do an acceptance speech, and this is the award right here. Oh my gosh, can we just like give you a little peek at this again? Oh. Guys, this is like my first legit music award. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Okay. Anyway, but so you know why I got that award, please go check this out, because yeah, this is why I got that, because this album came out in July, and I've just been promoting this like crazy, playing out shows, doing a bunch of cool stuff with this, putting out videos. Please check this out. It's a 10-song album. It would mean the absolute world to me. Comment below what you think about it. Please, it's on iTunes, Spotify, everywhere. It's everywhere, so please definitely check it out. It would mean the absolute world to me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this. I cannot wait to try the March Clarity Box. This one was the February box. Also, remember, if you want to purchase your Clarity Box, you get 20% off with the code Carolyn20. And remember, this is super important. If you want that March clarity box, that means if you want it shipped to your house, you need to order by March 10th because she sends them out right away. So you'll get them and then you get to enjoy them. Yeah. And my February box review is a little late, I will say that, because I had all this going on with the Lehigh Valley Music Awards and I just could not post about that and get you guys to vote for me because I needed the fans like you and all my supporters to get behind me and really help me vote, and you guys did, and you won this award for me, and I could not be more proud. I have the best fans ever. I really do. I also have a really scratchy throat right now. But anyway, I will shut the F up and let you... But anyway, I will shut the beep up and just go so you don't have to hear me talking anymore. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. I don't know why I just don't shut the F up sometimes.